When it comes to top-tier dive and outdoor watches, Garmin and Suunto have set the bar high. Their latest releases, the Garmin Fenix 8 and Suunto Ocean, are both built to perform in extreme conditions and are packed with features that make them strong contenders for the best dive watch of 2024. But which one really stands out? Let's get into a detailed comparison to help you decide which watch might be the better fit for your needs. Both the Garmin Fenix 8 and Suunto Ocean bring top-notch visuals to the table, making them standout choices for anyone who needs a watch that performs equally well in sunlight and underwater. Both rely on AMOLED display technology, known for vibrant colors, deep contrast, and energy efficiency. A perfect fit for outdoor environments and underwater conditions where clarity can make a big difference. The Fenix 8 offers a 1.4-inch screen with a 454 into 454 pixel resolution, presenting sharp details and a comfortable viewing size for most users. Meanwhile, the Suunto Ocean pushes this a step further with a slightly larger 1.43-inch screen and a higher 466 into 466 resolution, creating an even crisper display for quick readability. While the differences in display size and resolution are subtle, the Suunto Ocean's slightly larger screen could be a nice perk, especially during underwater activities or in low-light scenarios where every bit of clarity counts. Divers, in particular, may appreciate this extra visibility as the higher resolution offers clear, legible data at a glance. Both displays are touch-enabled, adding another layer of convenience for settings adjustments and interactions during activities. Ultimately, if visual clarity is a key factor in your choice, both watches perform exceptionally well. However, the Suunto Ocean's slight advantage in screen size and pixel density may sway users who need the best possible clarity during complex dives or adventure sports. The Fenix 8 and Suunto Ocean are both designed for intense, high-demand activities. Garmin's custom processor in the Fenix 8 is engineered to handle heavy data loads, whether it's tracking multiple sports, running GPS continuously, or managing other power-intensive applications. This processor delivers a responsive experience, especially helpful when switching modes or accessing complex metrics on the go. On the other side, Suunto has also tailored the Ocean's processor to ensure smooth functionality across a range of demanding tasks. While not as heavily optimized for intense data processing as the Garmin, the Suunto processor still holds its own in providing quick transitions and reliable GPS accuracy. Both watches sync effortlessly with Android and iOS devices, allowing users to easily back up or access their fitness and activity data on their smartphone or tablet. However, for those who prioritize high-endurance usage with minimal lag, Garmin's Fenix 8 may feel a bit more robust for such needs. Battery life is always a big deal when it comes to outdoor and dive watches, and here, the Garmin Fenix 8 and Suunto Ocean both impress. The Fenix 8 boasts up to 13 days of battery life in smartwatch mode and up to 41 hours in GPS mode, making it a fantastic choice for extended treks or dives where charging options might be limited. On the other hand, the Suunto Ocean offers a comparable 16 days in daily mode and slightly longer GPS mode operation at 50 hours. This longer GPS duration might give the Suunto Ocean a slight advantage for those who rely on their GPS for navigation throughout multi-day trips, although both watches perform reliably for long adventures. In terms of GPS and navigation, both watches go all out with multi-band GNSS support. The Garmin Fenix 8 covers GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou, while the Suunto Ocean includes GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS, and Beidou for navigation across continents. This means that both watches will give you highly accurate location tracking, even in challenging environments such as dense forests, remote mountains, or underwater. For outdoor explorers who often travel internationally, these multi-satellite systems ensure reliable tracking wherever you go, with both watches excelling at pinpoint accuracy. When it comes to connectivity, the Garmin Fenix 8 has a slight edge with its Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, allowing for more seamless data syncing and updates without needing your smartphone at hand. The Suunto Ocean, while also capable of Bluetooth connectivity, lacks Wi-Fi, which may be a minor drawback for users who like to update or sync data on the fly without a paired device. Both watches, however, offer smart notifications, so you won't miss important alerts during your outdoor excursions. Durability is where both the Garmin Fenix 8 and Suunto Ocean truly shine, as they're built with rugged materials to withstand the rigors of both land and sea adventures. The Fenix 8 comes with a fiber-reinforced polymer and metal rear cover, with bezel options in stainless steel or titanium, giving it a solid, robust feel. The Suunto Ocean, on the other hand, features glass fiber reinforced polyamide with a stainless steel bezel, balancing sturdiness with a slightly lighter frame. Both are water resistant to 100 meters, making them well suited for scuba diving, snorkeling, and swimming, as well as hiking and other land-based sports. While both watches are crafted to last, the Fenix 8 might offer a tad more durability for those who engage in intense, high-impact activities, while the Suunto Ocean's lighter build may appeal to divers and water sport enthusiasts who prefer a watch that's both strong and easy to wear over wetsuits. The Garmin Fenix 8 impresses with its multi-band GPS, ensuring accurate tracking even in challenging environments where satellite signals can struggle. This precision, combined with a battery life that stretches through days of intense GPS usage, makes it a strong choice for extended outdoor adventures. The Fenix 8's build quality also stands out, crafted from a durable fiber-reinforced polymer and accented with metal or titanium bezels that give it a rugged, high-end look. While experienced users may appreciate its extensive features, those new to the watch's advanced functions might find its setup and interface a bit daunting, requiring some time to get fully comfortable with its rich array of tools. In comparison, the Suunto Ocean provides a slightly larger high-resolution AMOLED display that excels in clarity, even under direct sunlight or underwater, a feature that divers and outdoor enthusiasts can appreciate. Its user-friendly interface has earned it favor among beginners, offering a straightforward experience that doesn't overwhelm, making it well-suited for those who want a reliable dive watch without a steep learning curve. However, one downside is its Bluetooth-only connectivity, which can be limiting for users who prefer more independent syncing options. Despite this, the Suunto Ocean's intuitive design and exceptional display quality make it an appealing choice for those focused on ease of use and visibility. When it comes to performance in underwater and outdoor activities, both the Garmin Fenix 8 and Suunto Ocean are capable contenders. Yet each watch has distinct strengths that make it better suited for specific user needs. Ultimately, both the Garmin Fenix 8 and Suunto Ocean are top-notch choices for outdoor and underwater enthusiasts, with each offering unique benefits tailored to different types of users. If you're after an all-in-one powerhouse with a rugged build and elite GPS capabilities, the Fenix 8 is likely worth the investment. On the other hand, if you want a reliable, intuitive dive watch with a superb display for easy reading underwater, the Suunto Ocean could be the perfect match. There's no clear-cut winner. Your choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and how you plan to use your watch in 2024 and beyond. So what do you think? Let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.